Are you playing with play-doh?
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes.
What do you want? Why'd you close it? Can't you open it by yourself? I thought you were a big boy. No, I'm not. I'm not opening it again, dude. I found the floor. Oh, the orange one. Thank God it has a top on it. But... Dude, I'm not opening anymore. I already opened those 4 for you.
Max, do you want some?
And you closed them again. No.
Want some ice cream?
No.
He doesn't want ice cream. Seriously?
You want some?
You always want ice cream.
You guys come sit over here.
No. But that.
How do you say no if you want it?
Yeah, I want that. Yeah, I want some of that. I definitely want some of that. Okay, my ice cream. My ice cream. Yeah.
Mm. 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 Oh, I forgot. Hey, who are you? Caillou. What are you saying? Oh gosh, you have a big cough, buddy. We're gonna have to end this video here. Love you, fans. Bye.